Sam's, or Vice Chairman Sam's in the Senate testifying on a bill, but he's planning on coming over.
Okay. Let's see. Scott Cargill. Is Scott here? Why don't you come on up, and you have 1 minute if you can identify yourself for the record.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, committee members. My name is Scott Cargill. I'm here on behalf of the Humane Voters of Arizona. Committee, the 2404 is a very thinly veiled attack on voter initiative process, and for a lot of the reasons that were discussed here today, we'll go over them. Basically, the goal is to add a lot of additional hoops to make paid circulators jump through with really no benefit to the process. I want to point out just a couple things that I think the committee should debate. One, the fact that I've still yet to hear an example of a problem we're trying to solve here on a prior initiative. Questions: how much are bonds going to be? How much are the fees are? Not addressed in the committee meeting. Second, I think everyone should ask themselves, why is the Restaurant Association and why is the Chamber of Commerce worried about the Secretary of State not having enough time to review?
10 seconds.
Where's the Secretary of State? Finally, you know, the fact that Representative Ugente Rita asked the question, do you intend to collect fraudulent signatures of the Humane Society? I could ask the question, I would, to this committee, if no one's intending to collect fraudulent signatures.
Time's up, sir.
Let him finish his
Okay,
thought.
if you can finish your thought. Thank you.
Why not add these protections to candidate ballot initiatives?
Thank you very much, sir.
You know, I'll just say to that point, I've had my petitions challenged, and I've also challenged petitions. It's a different scale.
If I may respond, though,
You may.
that's under existing law, which this is the Secretary of State's current 73-page manual of the existing regulations. Right now, the playing field is the same between candidates' ballot signatures and voter initiative signatures. What this bill does is to change that. And I haven't heard a reason as to why a fraudulent signature for a candidate should be remedied by the fact that the candidate is voted out of office in a couple of years, whereas there's an immediate challenge of a signature fraudulently obtained for a voter initiative. I'm not seeing the difference between those two parties, despite the explanation provided by Representative Leach. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dolores Varga? Dolores? No?